What's up, guys? In this video, I will show you how to create a first application in React Native very easy and very fast. This video is just going to be covering the project setup, so we can create our first application. I recommend using Visual Studio Code for Editor, which is very easy to use and it's completely free. Now in Google, we're type in React Native and we're going to go to the first link, which is reactnative.dev. This is the website of React Native, with which we can create mobile applications for Android and iOS and more using React. This is JavaScript code, rendered with native code. We're going to click Get Started and going to the documentation, because that's going to tell us what we need to do to set up the project. There are two ways to create React Native application. One is using a third-party plugin, is Expo, which makes everything very simple for getting started, and then there's the more official one, which is more bare and more complicated. For getting started, I definitely recommend using Expo. To create an app with Expo, first you need to install Node.js. It's very easy to install, just by clicking Next until the end. I also recommended you to install Git. Git is the same as CMD or command prompt. It's very preferable to use it in React Native projects because it is much easier to use and can be connected to GitHub. In the following videos, we will talk more about Git and GitHub. Git is also very easy to install, just by clicking Next until the end. When Git is installed, there are three parts of Git: Git Bash, Git Guy, and Git CMD. We will use Git Bash. In Git Bash, there are different commands. CD is used to change the direction. ls is a list command that shows us the files and folders located in this directory. cd takes you back one direction, ect. Now we are opening Visual Studio Code. Create a folder for React Native projects and Git Bash can also be used within Visual Studio Code. By clicking on the toolbar, Terminal, New Terminal, and clicking Git Bash. Now, in Git Bash, we mark the command to create an app in React Native using the easiest way through Expo. The command to create the application is npx create expo app and the name of the project. The creation of the application may take a few minutes due to the installation of all the necessary packages. Before opening the application, we are first opening the Expo website. As you can see, you can install Expo Go on both Android and iOS mobile systems. In both mobile systems, the use of Expo Go is free. The command to open the application is npx expo start. Oops, we forgot to enter the application directory. Now again start command. After we have installed the Expo Go application on mobile phones, we can open the application using the QR code that appears above. Well, we will open it on the web by clicking W in keyboard. While you can open it on your phones without any problem, just make sure that your mobile phone is on the same Wi-Fi as your laptop or PC. Oops! To open it on the web, you need to install another package, link above. This is the view that opens to us at the beginning. AppJs is the main file. The code in this file is JSX JavaScript XML. Also, the tags are not HTML, but they are special React Native tags. The tags we use must be imported from the librarians that are in the Node.js package that we installed at the beginning. In React Native, the CSS annotation is the same as it is in JavaScript, but here you cannot create a separate file with the suffix .ss. If we mark something in the code, the change is executed immediately on the web or on the mobile phone. Here are some of the React Native libraries that are inside the Node.js package. Photos or videos or other materials can be placed in the Assets folder. App.json tells us the data about the application. This is also the folder for the Expo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.